key in the door. She left the kids at her mama's, and the laundry piled up on the floor. She left her ring on the pillow, right where it wouldn't be missed. She left a note in the kitchen next to the grocery list. It said, "You don't even know who I am. You left me a long time ago. You don't even know who I am. So what do you care if I go?" He left the ring on the pillow. He left the clothes on the floor. And he called her to say he was sorry, but he couldn't